Chairman of the Northeast Regional Health Authority, Tyrone Robinson, has died from COVID-19 complications. People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. So it's been reported that Tyrone Robinson, chairman of the Northeast Regional Health Authority, has died from COVID-19 complications. Robinson, who was reportedly visiting his mother in Miami, Florida, passed away last night at a hospital where he had been receiving treatment for the past 2 weeks. He had pre-existing conditions. Robinson, renowned for successfully running Prime Minister Andrew Holness' Jamaica Labour Party leadership campaign against Audley Shaw in 2013, as well as the machinery behind the party's St. Ann Northeastern constituency for more than 20 years. He was considered to replace Cheyenne Robinson after she died last year. A trained pilot, Robinson operated a construction business, was involved in mining and farming, and was a political activist. A son of Haywood Hall in St. Mary, Robinson served as the NERHA chairman since 2007. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness has released a statement in regards to Mr. Robinson's death. He goes on to say the JLP mourns passing of Tyrone Robinson, senior party organizer, businessman, and board chairman for NERHA. The Jamaica Labour Party is deeply saddened at the passing of the businessman and one of its key political organizers. Mr. Robinson died last night after battling illness over the past few weeks. He was 58 years old. In reacting to news of Mr. Robinson's death, Prime Minister and JLP leader Andrew Holness said Tyrone was not only a key stalwart for the Jamaica Labour Party, who gave yeoman service, particularly in the northern belt of the island. He was committed to the development of his country through service on several public boards, including being chairman of the Northeast Regional Health Authority upon the time of his death. Prime Minister Holness says Tyrone had a great love for the people of St. Ann, and as a member of the business community there, he consistently contributed to various philanthropic efforts. He will be remembered as a kind, gentle, and humble soul. The Prime Minister and JLP leader says he's deeply saddened by Mr. Robinson's passing. The JLP leader is expressing sincere condolences to Mr. Robinson's family and close friends. The Prime Minister noted reports that Mr. Robinson had developed complications after testing positive for COVID-19 and is urging all Jamaicans to recognize the COVID-19 remains a serious threat to our lives and livelihood. That's a message from Mr. Andrew Holness, people. And this is coming from Yard and Abroad TV. I just want to send my sincerest condolences to the family of Mr. Robinson